Hello world. Today is Tuesday, September 15th, 2025. Um, and it's actually past midnight, so it's actually Wednesday. So this is a vlog, a 10-minute raw, unedited talk about what is top of mind. I um I was like about to go to sleep, but I couldn't fall asleep. And I was like, I haven't done a vlog in too long, and I need to do one now. So this is like a public journal and just talking about like what's really like the most important thing I learned or did or discovered in the last 24 hours. So I I tried ChatGPT therapy and I learned some important concepts. First, it's this idea of emotional neglect of a parent to a child. Second is inner security, emotional inner security, um, feeling of like safe and peace and like and good and and um, and another term is like a hole in the heart. And I feel that that's a really good term for describing something that is part of my life, having a hole in the heart. And I'm not going to get into that right now. But it's very helpful. I just asked like one question, two questions, like well, one question really, and or like it was like a story, like telling my kind of like story, my kind of like issue, and uh, and then like a follow up question to clarify, to go deeper on a topic, and it was really good. And I've been like I shared it with like a couple of close friends to get their feedback. With shared it with my mom and sisters, and it was very impactful. I was like, I really need to work more on this and like evolve, and I still need a lot more work. And like, don't get like comfortable with things, or don't get too distracted with focusing on things. You have to also work on yourself, on your emotional intelligence, and your problems of the heart, and like this idea of the heart, the emotions, like is very very important to be aware, and in my and something like I'm like really um growing a lot by learning, um being aware of these things. So what else is like top of mind? It's today I went to Muay Thai, 9 a.m. class. I woke up. I got over like a bad like flu over like 2 days. I had like a fever, and I was like in bed for like 2 days, and it was not fun. I was so happy to be. Yesterday I was in the gym, and like today I was like in Muay Thai, and I was like so good to be up, like doing things, like exercising and working. And I've been working on the Manifestly app. I put Ava Creator to App Store review with a new Nano Banana ChatGPT. Nano Banana is a image editing model from Google, so that's a very cool, very amazing, powerful image editing tool. Ava Creator. You can upload a photo or like up to 5 photos and edit them, combine them. So if you want to imagine yourself kissing your crush, and you put two photos, and it will generate a very realistic photo of you two kissing. Well, actually, there's a pretty strict content policy. So there's like uh, content policy, meaning like restrictions on like not safe for work things like that. So that's really good. I'm excited. I realize that like creating content, social media content about your app, promoting it is like half the work. And I'm still under the spell that it has to be like some like technically very like good or like impressive, like challenging, complex, but really like just clone some app, like clone Feynman AI and put it in Thai, and that will and just do 4 hours of marketing every day, and it will take off after like 3 weeks. That's okay. That's reality. So now I'm like working on Manifestly. It's another app that uses AI for manifestations, and how it works is you create like your manifestation, and then it will you can generate affirmations that will be sent to you as notifications daily, which is a feature that I really love and I do use myself, because I already have the older version already has this, but now the new version is just like streamlining it, removing a lot of like 20 other features. So and then the second feature is like ask your future self a question, which is you type in a question, and then a video of your future self, your photo, you upload your photo and your voice sample, and will answer your question from the future. And it's really cool. It's neat. So I think this can be really viral, very powerful. Very excited about this. And then the third thing that's on top of mind is like the Ava Creator, Reel Maker, and like Anime Maker. It's like I have all the pieces and it's very close, and that's a really app that can go viral. And like I've been sitting on it for so long, too long. So that's top of mind. So that's what I did today, and I bought a Samsung phone, like the cheapest Samsung, yes, Galaxy A07 or something, or 6, and it was like $100, and it's like it's pretty cool. Simple, minimalistic, but I'm like appreciating that I have this backup phone. So, okay, that's amazing, and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try to build like a React Native app that's cross-platform, and be able to test it, but also use it for social media marketing, like TikTok. Have multiple accounts, but also have just a backup phone in case, because I've been having issues with my iPhone battery, and I need a new iPhone. So pulled the trigger on a flight to Singapore today. I made a decision to where to go after Phuket. Phuket, September 30th, 2 weeks from today. Go to Token 2049, do the hackathon. Amazing. Excited. Amazing. Never been to Singapore. It's going to be the increase the number of countries I visited. Like that matters much, but it's a factoid that's interesting. But it's pretty awesome. So yeah, in summary, this is a vlog. It's been too long. Learning ChatGPT therapy, really good. It's really good. Building new apps. Well, moving forward with building Manifestly and Ava Creator apps. Samsung phone, very nice. Singapore, next stop. Yeah, let's go. So that's the vlog, and as always, ending it with sending some positive vibes, vibrations, peace, and love. May you be free from pain. because every thought counts.